viewers, welcome to Tech. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press the icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So in last video I gave information how to find the private key of your Ravencoin core wallet. Yes, you can easily find. You just remember your command, which is you are going to enter debug window. If you have remember your command, then you can easily find the private key. If you have not watched that video, you simple go to my YouTube channel and watch that video. That video will be helpful for you if you want to find Bitcoin core wallet private key, Dogecoin core wallet private key, because this command is same and you can use same scenario. Okay, so in this video I'm giving you information how to encrypt your wallet, how to apply security password on your Ravencoin core wallet. So if you want to save your account from scammer or hacker, you must apply this option on your Ravencoin core wallet, because sometimes you need to make the transaction, so you must have enter your password, then your transaction will be completed, otherwise you cannot. Okay, so I'm now going to open my Ravencoin core wallet, because today we are going to activate our security password or encrypt our wallet. You can see here the Ravencoin core wallet is open in front of me, and this time my blockchain data is fully completed. You can see here the right button shown here means my blockchain data or my Ravencoin core wallet is full synchronized. If I have balance, so then shown here, but this time I have not balance and not make any transaction, so that is there is not shown anything, there is empty, everything is. But we want to encrypt it or active password on my Raven core wallet. So how can I do this? Is so simple. You can still see here there is not shown any lock here. When my wallet is logged, so the locked icon shown will be here. So now I'm going to first of all click on wallet. If I encrypt my wallet, you can see the first option is that encrypt wallet. Encrypt wallet. I want to active password on my wallet, so that I want to use this option. So just simple click on it, and you can see here enter the new phrases to the wallet. Please use a phrases of 10 or more random character or 8 or more word. So viewers, I'm going to right here my strong password like my bank account, so you can also use same. And keep in your mind, first of all, keep in your mind, if you forget this password which is you are going to write here, so you never recover or transfer your fund. Keep in your mind, never transfer your fund if you forget your password, and also you cannot get your private key. Okay, so you must first need to get your private key, after that you will lock your wallet. Otherwise, if you forget your password, you never recover your any fund. Okay, so I'm going to first of all enter my strong password here like my bank account, because I need to secure my wallet from scammer or hacker. So just going to enter my password here. You must use the alphabetic and numeric and also symbol, which is you are going to enter the password, and also write the password on your safe place like your personal diary, because sometimes you need to make the transaction, so you must have remember your password. If you forget your password, then you cannot make any transaction. This method same like Bitcoin core wallet, Dogecoin core wallet, or any other core wallet. If you apply the password and you forget your password, you never transfer your fund. Okay, understand? So I'm now going to click on OK. Now warning, if you encrypt your wallet and lose your phrases, you will lose all of your ravens. I'll show you wish to encrypt your wallet. So you can also see the warning here. If you forget your password, so you never recover your fund or not transfer your fund. So keep in your mind your password. This is very necessary for you, very necessary for you. If you forget your password, so please remember your password and write your personal diary, and also write in notepad file, and notepad file make the multiple copy and write in USB drive, CD drive, or any external drive or USB drive. Okay, So I'm not going to click on yes. So now my wallet is going to encrypted. It's maybe take some time after my wallet will be encrypted. Lock will be shown here. You can see here where the lock is shown here means my wallet is encrypted and fully locked, and Raven call will close. Now to finish the encryption process, remember that encrypting your wallet cannot fully protect your Raven from being stolen by malware infected your computer. So viewers, keep in your mind, don't click unauthorized link on unauthorized website. If you, let's suppose if you click on unauthorized link, so maybe the malware virus will be installed into your system and your fund will be all be lost. So keep in your mind. And also you can see important, any previous backup you have made of your wallet file should be replaced with the newly generated encrypted wallet file. For security reason, previous backup of your unencrypted wallet file will become useless as soon you start using the new encrypted wallet. So whereas this method is for very secure for you if you want to save your wallet from scammer or hacker. And you can also see here the lock is shown here means my wallet is locked, and if I want to make any transaction from this wallet, and let's suppose I want to find the private key, so first I need to unlock my Ravencoin core wallet. After that I can find the private key. So keep in your mind, if you want to lock your wallet, so first you find the private key, after that you can lock your wallet with password. So this is necessary for you. I again and again giving to information about you must take the backup and also find the private key if you want to recover your wallet or restore your wallet. So I hope you properly understand. If I'm going to click on OK, so Ravencoin will be automatically shut down, and after shutdown I will again restart my Ravencoin core wallet, and then I can make the transaction. So viewers, if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. You can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. You can get the information about Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Tron, Ethereum, Ripple, Newcoin, Litecoin. If you go to click on Altcoin, you can see here there is XODS, Digibyte, Coinbase, Bitcoin Diamond, Jax Wallet, Binance, Electrum, Namcoin, VChain. Means I already make the many videos about many cryptocurrency wallets. Let's suppose you want to get the information about blockchain, you just simple go to the Google and type the cryptowalletsinfo.com. After that, new website open in front of you, this website, and you just simple click on blockchain tab. The blockchain page will be open in front of you, how to import blockchain wallet and how to link blockchain wallet to crypto exchange, how to withdraw amount from blockchain, how to place trade on blockchain crypto exchange, how to deposit blockchain crypto exchange, how to create account on blockchain crypto exchange, how to confirm Bitcoin transactions, how to cannot sorry blockchain cannot import wallet invalid nomenclature. You must watch this video because this video is very helpful for you. If you save your manipulations wrongly, mistakenly save in notepad file, so you how can you clear the error? You must watch this video. Okay, you can see here I already make the many videos about blockchain and any other wallet. So simple, go to my website and get the information. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.